Hello, and welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness Series 63. QR codes have become a popular and convenient way to access information or make payments, but they can also be manipulated by cybercriminals. QR code fraud happens when scammers replace legitimate codes with malicious ones, tricking you into sharing personal information or sending money to the wrong account. Here's how it works. You scan a QR code thinking it will take you to a legitimate website or payment portal, but instead, it redirects you to fake websites designed to steal your information. In some cases, scanning the QR code can automatically make a payment or download malware onto your device. To avoid QR code fraud, be cautious when scanning codes in public places or from unknown sources. Verify the authenticity of the QR code before scanning, especially for payments. Use a trusted QR code scanner app that can detect malicious codes and review the link before proceeding. QR codes are convenient, but cybercriminals can take advantage of them. Always scan carefully to stay safe.